Assalamu alaikum Mabinchi family. Sannunmu da warhaka. Welcome back to our channel. On today's Ramadan series, we are making a simple salad, a simple sausage and corned beef salad. One simple salad ne, one go-to salad ne, one so extra ba. All you need is your corned beef, your sausage, abinga, carrots, onion, sweet corn, cucumber, and green and red bell pepper, egg, baked beans, your mayonnaise, your white pepper and black pepper. Necessarily, I've been there using Geduka, but that is one thing about salad. And there's also one thing about cooking. Cooking is an art. You can just do it the way cake you can feel and the ingredients in the cake available at your end, and you can just mix it up and it's good for you. She can do cake happen. But she making carrot, sweet corn, whatever. But some things may be optional. But mayonnaise, baked beans, egg when they bay, there's no two ways about it. Shaker, king kara, or shaker kara ka use. Okay, so it's just a simple, and actually it's just a simple salad. This salad shouldn't take you with the prepping and they are taking you only 10 minutes maximum. But with mixing then they just 2 minutes, yeah, good. Okay, we start by adding our carrots. Okay. Our big beans is next. Easy follow. And big beans in number lay hands bow. Black pepper. What is she again?